Well, g'day, Max here again. Welcome back to the shop. Well, this is a special edition video, quite rightly titled, A Few Good Men. Throughout the YouTube machining community, there's some bloody good people out there, help each other out and whatnot. And I had quite a shock when this event happened. I mean, it left me speechless. So, without any further ado, let's focus you down and see what's going on. So the other day I got home from work and the wife said to me, there's a package for you that weighs a lot. So I look at the box, I look at the sender, Aaron Engineering. What the bloody hell's Aaron up to here? So I opened up the box, and lo and behold, there's this box. So this is a really nicely made wooden box. Beautiful. And complete with my logo engraved on it. So I thought, what the hell's going on here? We better open this up and investigate. So we opened it up, and of course Aaron sent a letter with it, with a slight explanation, and he said to make a video on it for the unboxing. So I don't normally do unboxing videos, but seeing this is such a special occasion, we're going to do an unboxing video. Now this is as far as I've looked inside. I have not unpacked any, and what I can see here, there's some quality bits of gear in here. So let's unpack them, shall we? So let's see what we have inside here. Wow. These are cool. I'm speechless. So this has got to be an adjusting screw. Okay. These are adjustable parallels. Let me get the other one opened. And we'll bring you in for a close-up. It even has my logo on it. Well, these are some quality work gone on here. Okay. So I can get into it. Oh, these are beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Now, let me bring you in on a close-up. This is some nice workmanship going into these. Some sort of like a laser engraving or something. So it's a collaboration project by Craig's Workshop over in Tasmania, Australia. Rob at Dudley Toolwright over in America. Tom at Hilltop Machine Works over in America. Matty's Workshop over in New South Wales, Australia. Stephen Lang over at Shark River Machine over in America. There's some real quality workmanship gone into these. Bloody amazing. Finish on this, the ground finish on this is absolutely spectacular. You know, even the corners are relieved, so that's all ground inside. Absolutely spectacular. I'm speechless. Well, I'm talking now, but you know what I mean. So, all the guys that made, back into the camera. So yeah, massive big thanks to all the guys that were involved. So we have Tom from Hilltop Machine Works. I mean, if you haven't already checked him out, go and check out his channel. Rural Retreat in Virginia. Matty's Workshop over in New South Wales, Australia. Rob over at Dudley Toolwright over in the US. I'll have to put you down there. Stephen Lang, Shark River Machine. Just so happens I have a set of his flat stones sitting on my bench, so if you're after flat stones, he's the man to see. And we have Aaron Engineering. Thank you very much for the beautiful job on the engraving. And a big American flag. So these adjustable parallels were designed to be the right height to be used on my Kurt vise. So you use these for when you're holding long pieces of work that are hanging out of the vise. Absolutely ideal for that. Absolutely brilliant. So I just got off the phone just then from Matty over at Matty's Workshop, and he's done this on a shaper. This is all finished with a shaper, this one. Absolutely beautiful shaper finish. He's done it with a shear tool. I've seen surface grinding rougher than this. Absolutely beautiful finish on it with a shaper. And of course the other three over in the US. Yeah, absolute beautiful grinding job on this. Spectacular. And of course, not forgetting Craig over in Tasmania. Absolutely beautiful, cracking job of this box. Very nice. So, there's an old Australian movie out. It's called The Castle. Most of us Australians have seen it. And if you're over in America, look it up and have a look at it. It's called The Castle. And on it, where the young bloke says to his father, or the father says to the young bloke, "This is going straight to the pool room." So yeah, big thanks to Tom over at Hilltop Machine Works for getting all this organised with all the other guys, and yeah, massive thanks to them all for absolute 10 out of 10 job. Cannot be faulted. Absolutely beautiful. Just shows the spirit of the YouTube community. You know, it's great, really great. And of course, Tom threw in one of his shop biros, and of course one of his stubby coolers. So yeah, cheers to you all, fellas. Absolutely beautiful job. Big thanks. Just one last thing. All the guys that were involved in the build of this, these tools, they actually videoed the process of the build, making everything, and they're going to be shortly releasing videos of them making the tools. So that'll be under hashtag Jacks4Macs. So yeah, please look it up and check out all the guys' channels of the process that they go through to manufacture these jacks and tooling. So yeah, cheers. Thank you very much. Cheers to you all, fellas. Absolutely beautiful job. Big thanks.